Welcome to episode 21. Ytzchak Gראססמאן, A Yid in the West, talking to you from the beautiful state of Arizona. Some of you kennen schon the scenery, this Baarg specifically that I'm on right now. I've been here in the past more than once to make some episodes. And episode 19, which was the most recent one, was the Gewein of the Baarg. A little lower down, and we'll get to that in a minute. But what came to mind when I was übergewatscht, something interesting, a gedank came to me. And I said, I want to make an episode about it. Now, I know I said in episode 19, it's kimt atop for the episode. And this episode is really like an ekduma for the upcoming one and for many more. We're probably going to be referring to this episode a lot. Said Zanazovi, Tam Nemen, the different personalities that there are when it comes to moving out. And let me umfangen by just showing you around a little bit here. I'm on the spitz from the Baarg right now. So take a look. Dorten hast du, was ich sehen sehen of the video, it's a house, it's a yeshiv dorten. That happens to be Casa Grande, Arizona. Then this is like in the outskirts, this Baarg, the Casa Grande Mountains. And as you see, there's paths, shidden paths to climb up different mountains, different hikes. There's paths for ATVs, paths for bikes, and for walking. Then you have the top of the mountain, where I happen to be on one of them right now. So, we nutzen this as a mushel. Und wir nutzen this as a mushel, und sollen können besser verstehen. I want to demonstrate, wir sollen es kennen sehen. And this is the way I look at it. And like I said, this is going to help us for the future episodes. It's kind of verstehen the noise about moving out. So let's refer to those people over there in the yeshiv. Yeah? Let's consider them the people that are right now in New York or New Jersey, wherever they are, let's call them stuck in this city. Okay? I don't know if you could see it, but this is film mit Hasedorten. Now, it's, I mean, Halavai would look like, stuck in the city would look like that, but just for the mushel. Then you have the people, I would call them on these paths. These paths, I would say, are referring to mention was Willenschein Arousmofn. They have somewhat guts or fed up enough, but they don't want to really leave go. They don't want to really leave go of the yeshiv, the Brooklyn, or let's go back for 1 second about the people that are there. Who are the people that are there? The ones that are staying behind. It's people that they're telling you, don't go anywhere. Stay behind, stay there, don't climb, don't go high up and be like this. Stay with us. Or those are more like the negative people, but let's talk about the nice people there. If it's from the conveniences, or as you see, there's a lot more people there, there's a lot more houses, there's stores, there's everything there. Where I am, there's nobody. So they're just like, just be like everybody. Just do what everybody does. Don't go anywhere. Don't do anything big. Stay behind, stay with the conveniences, or the other, the mentions that kennen sich nicht arousnehmen from the conveniences. Basically, they were born. They were born there. They were born with all the conveniences. They were spoiled, and they don't even know. Because they have everything, they were born with everything, and they think that's the way it always was, and as it darf zu sein. I would say that's one category. Let's summarize it in ein Wort. The ones that are stuck in this system. Again, some want to get out, they can, they're nice people, they're just at a stage in life, or whatever, alle tritim, fear, arouszugein. They know it's right, but kennen sich nicht heraussehen, stuck in the system. Then you have the paths. These are already, I would call them the beaten paths. People have done it already. No, is there, so much people like in the yeshiv there? No, but Yeah, as you climb this mountain, you find people actually. You bump into people here, there. It took some guts, but Vinish, you're still somewhat connected. It's already beaten the path. Someone paved it already. It's zugestellt. And I would say these are more like the yeshivim that are opening around New York. Call it Staten Island, call it Linden, Blooming Grove. Vinish, these places, you're still somewhat connected. And by the way, not in any way knocking it. I support every single person that moved out. The only person you'll hear me knocking is the ones that are stuck behind. And not because I'm knocking them, because we don't let knocking at all. Well, because my point is to mechazik zan, to mention that are getting up and doing stuff. Because that's what this group is meant for. And by the way, I said this a million times and I'll keep on saying it. If you're someone that wants to stay behind or is trying to stick up for people staying behind, let me tell you, the group A Yid in the West is not meant for you. Just exit the group because you won't like what you'll be hearing here. You'll be hearing support, you'll be seeing people saying that they got up and they did the move, and you're gonna get annoyed. So this group was not meant for you. This group was not meant to have millions of followers and just do nothing. This group was actually meant to have a select amount of people, selected group of people that was halten beim team and need the chizik and support. So I support them. They're doing good. And for some of them, for some people, it was very hard to actually go on these paths. So, kol hakavod. Then you have the ones that I would say, let's just as the mushal, on the top of the mountain, where I am here right now. Now, right now, actually, there's nobody here. So, could you say it's lonely? I guess it is. You see there was a campfire there. There has been people here, obviously, came, they left. People come and go. They thought it would work out. It wasn't for them, they moved back. And some people say, oh, zeiste. But as I heard from Einifen, as a große coach for businesses, and he used to say, coach people and say, the people that made it to the top, he would call it made it to the top, meaning to say that, they have financial freedom. He said, it's very lonely. It's very lonely on the top, but you eat much better. That was his quote. It's one of my best quotes I ever heard. It's lonely on the top, but you eat much better. In United, it's lonely on the top, but you live much better. It's a beautiful life. And don't let anybody discourage you. And you know what's interesting? When ich hab in the Baarg, that's what I saw on that episode 19, the way I did it. Now, I don't like talking about myself, but let me know aroosnemen and the kid. My thing was, my car is all the way there, and I was like, how could I get to the top the quickest? Because I need to make this episode, and I can't spend now a whole day on it, and why should I, if I could just get there as soon as possible? I came out of my car, I looked at the top, and I just went straight up. I don't consider myself, I know that's very good at, not like a mountain climber, or I don't even have mountain shoes. I'm just in my regular, hiking shoes. I'm just in regular dress shoes, no water, no nothing. I just came up here with this camera. That's it. And these are the people that know what's right for them to do, and don't fall to the sides. Don't get distracted by people trying to say, stay behind. Don't do anything. Stay stuck in the system. It's so good. Not that they're happy, but they just want to stop you from going and doing something amazing. That's what I would summarize it. The three categories. The ones that are stuck in the system. Some of them wollen sich herausnehmen but can't. Some of them are trying to have people stay behind, stuck in the system, don't go anywhere. Then you have the beaten path. Baruch Hashem, it's growing. You could see people did it. People did it already. It's very easy to see where it was done. Zugestellt, grocery, mikveh, pretty much. Then you have people on the top of the mountain. Like I said, but you live much better. This is an akduma for definitely the next episode and a מענטשן for the future episodes. Remember, it's your choice. See you in the next episode.